Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. It's been raining almost every evening here, and every evening I crave hot snacks. So I thought of making something healthy and opted for the simple chickpea sundal. I know it's a pretty basic recipe, but I still thought of recording it anyway. Wash and soak 1 cup of white chickpea in water overnight. If you are using canned chickpeas, you can ditch these steps and proceed towards tempering. Drain the water from the soaked chickpea and transfer it to a pressure cooker. Add 3 cups of water to this and add in a teaspoon of salt. Now cover the pressure cooker, add weights to the cooker and pressure cook this for 5 whistles. After 5 whistles, turn off the flame and allow the pressure to release on its own. The chickpea should be in mashable consistency. It should be easily mashable with the back of a spoon. Now let's temper the chickpeas. In a tempering pan, add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To this, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds crackle, add in 1 chopped red chilli and some curry leaves. To this, add in half an onion finely chopped. Saute for a minute or till the onions are translucent. Add in 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Mix it well and turn off the flame. Now we can add the tempering to the chickpeas. Toss and mix everything. That's it. Our hot and yummy white chickpea sundal is ready. Pair it up with some black tea or coffee and snack time is sorted. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching and have a great day.